The Delhi police today has informed the media that after months of investigation, they have managed to find the person who, in fact, according to them, has been sending hoax emails or bomb threats to various schools in the national capital. Special CP Law and Order informed the media that they have found one person who has some connections, in fact, a juvenile, an underage kid who sent emails, ladies and gentlemen, to various schools in the national capital at the beginning of last year and subsequently for a few months. Now, the family that this kid belongs to runs an influential NGO with political links and has been involved with civil society group that has been campaigning against Afzal Guru's hanging. Dozens of such emails had caused disruptions in studies, exams, and the regular academic activities of the schools in the national capital. Despite help from the email platform providers, the usage of VPNs by the accused was making it difficult for the Delhi police to trace them.
On social media, this particular NGO has been, supporting the political party on various issues. It has been known to follow their lines, their stated lines on the social media. जब VPN का इस्तेमाल होता है तो जो VPN के सर्वर यदि बाहर हैं तो ये मेल बाहर से आती हुई प्रतीत होती, तो प्रतीत होना और वहाँ से ओरिजिनेट यहाँ से हो रही है, लेकिन जब वो लैंड करती है तो वो VPN के थ्रू बाहर के सर्वर्स के थ्रू दिखाई देती है। एक जुवेनाइल इस तरह की जो है टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांस तरीके से कर रहा है, तो इसको देख करके थोड़ा सा हमको डीप इसकी पड़ताल करने की ज़रूरत पड़ी और उस वजह से हमने इसकी जो परिवार की थी वो पूरी प्रोफाइलिंग की।
These all emails were originating from a person who is juvenile. जब जांच में उनके लैपटॉप और अन्य फोरेंसिक चीजों की जांच की गई और इस बात की पुष्टि हुई तो और भी गहरा तथ्य प्रकाश में आया कि उसके परिवार के लोग और उसके अभिभावक ऐसे कुछ एनजीओ से जुड़े हैं कि तमाम गतिविधियां जो कानून व्यवस्था की दृष्टि से राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा के लिए घातक मानी जाती हैं, उन गतिविधियों के समर्थन की बात आई है। जो समाचार उपलब्ध हैं, जो जानकारियां उपलब्ध हैं, उससे बहुत गहरा संदेह हो रहा है, क्योंकि हम सभी जानते हैं कि दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी का बहुत गहरा संबंध न सिर्फ तमाम ऐसे अवांछित एनजीओ से रहा है, इसलिए अब यह रहस्य गहरा रहा है कि वो एनजीओ कौन है, वो एनजीओ के लोग कौन हैं, उनका आम आदमी पार्टी से कोई संबंध है क्या?
कुछ देर पहले आपने दिल्ली के पुलिस कमिश्नर श्री सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस देखी होगी। पुलिस को भी जो जानकारी नहीं है, पुलिस के पास अपना मीडिया सेल है, पुलिस जो नहीं बता पाती वो सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी बताते हैं। आप छोटे छोटे बच्चों को मिल रही बम की धमकी का राजनीतिक लाभ उठा रहे हो, शर्म नहीं आती? 10 महीने में कोई जांच आपकी नहीं हुई, कुछ पता नहीं चला 10 महीने में आपको। अचानक 15 दिन पहले एक मनगढ़ंत कहानी लेके आप आ गए।
My colleague Ishika now joining us with more details on this story at this moment. Ishika, now this has become an explosive, in fact, some sort of an information that the Delhi police has put out. Not only are they suggesting that this juvenile, who was sending these threats, though the juvenile says that it was only to try and avoid examination, but now there are political motives being attached to it.
Well, yes, certainly, Ankit. Now this is certainly a big and, drastic revelation that has come from the side of the Delhi police. Delhi police now saying that those hoax bomb calls that, in fact, were received by schools, by various schools, and that caused, a lot of disruption here in the national capital. Now it has come out in police investigation that a juvenile is behind this. Not just that, the police also revealed today that further in the investigation, it has also now come to their information that the child's parents are associated with an NGO which is allegedly working for a political party or linked to a political party that is that in fact earlier has opposed the hanging of Afzal Guru. Now this certainly has given an opportunity to the BJP to attack the Delhi Chief Minister Atashi, and which is what they have done today. Today, in fact, we saw how the BJP has launched this attack on Chief Minister Atashi, and clearly here what they are saying is that, you know, this is a big conspiracy, and the Aam Aadmi Party is behind this conspiracy, because how can a juvenile, you know, send all of those emails? And when it has come in the police investigation that the NGO, you know, which is associated with which has opposed Afzal Guru's hanging, does Atashi and Arvind Kejriwal need to come forward and answer this? So certainly now BJP continues to mount their attack against Chief Minister Atashi and Arvind Kejriwal, and this is only set to escalate since the election is so near. Over to you.